4D from our first CLOUDis, 9.1 through 9.4. Convert this polar equation to a rectangular equation. These are the tools at your disposal. All right, so if we had r squared over here, we can convert to the rectangular expression x squared plus y squared. So we could do that by squaring both sides, but that's not going to help because we would get this, and while r squared is x squared plus y squared, we have a lot of work to do over here yet. So there's a better way. What if we multiply both sides times r times the left side, and r times the right side? Then we have r squared equals 2r minus 2r sine of theta. And now we have two nice substitutions we can make, r squared and r sine of theta. R squared and r sine of theta. All right, so we aren't fully converted to rectangular equations if we still have a polar coordinate in there. So we just need a substitution for r, and we have one. And there it is. This blue polar equation has an equivalent equation in rectangular form that might look like that. There are no r's, there are no thetas, only x's and y's, rectangular.